This is the demo video for the Hope Smart Recruitment Messenger, the HSRM, which was created for Hope Tutoring Services in Arlington, Texas. For demonstration purposes, we will be launching this from the terminal in our VS Code. After launching the application, you are greeted with a clean and responsive front-end UI design. At the top of the page is the Quick Help button. This is a modal pop-up with quick tips on how to use the app. You can think of this as a built-in user guide. Next to the Quick Help button is the night mode toggle to go between light and dark modes. The last button is a simple external link that opens the official Hope Tutoring website. This can be useful for staff to quickly access the main website while using the messaging tool. Next, we have the built-in analytical dashboard, which will populate with fields as we go through the demo. The next box is the Upload Volunteer Data box. This is where you have the option to upload CSV, doc, or PDF files to be extracted and parsed. Notice at the bottom you have the option to download a sample if you ever need one. We will now be uploading and extracting a prepared CSV file. The information from the file is now neatly displayed in columns and rows for the user to understand. These columns are based upon the Hope Tutoring website volunteer form. Scrolling down, you can see the 22 customizable pre-made templates that you can tailor to each of the individual potential recruits. The first section is initial outreach, while the next section is follow-up emails that get sent to potential recruits that may need a little bit more encouragement. The last section is the seasonal section, which is based upon holidays and times of the year to really engage with potential volunteers. We will be looking at the graduation template as we will be graduating from UTA on Friday. You are also able to create your own customizable template to reuse. Just be sure to follow the data formatting rules at the bottom. When you are ready to create the emails, you simply hit the Generate Email button in the bottom. You can see that we now have 8 individualized custom email templates to easily copy and paste to potential recruits. You can easily copy and paste with the click of a button. Each individual recruit is also given a status update tracker. Let's take a look at Michael Chin's account. Let's say that he accepted the invite and is signed up. As for Emily, let's say that she just simply responded. We will touch upon the analytical tracking in a second. For now, to go back to the main screen, you will simply hit the Start New Batch button. Looking at the tracking banner at the top, you can see that it has been populated and updated to reflect the status of the current volunteers. The Dashboard button opens a full analytics model with visual charts that show the breakdown of all contact statuses at a glance. Moving on in the demo, we will be looking at the document parser, which is able to extract information from Word docs. The Word doc contains different information from the previously uploaded CSV file, but will still be amended to the tracking field above. For this demonstration, let's test out the college student template. After generating, we are once again presented with a list of potential recruits based upon the Word doc file. Looking at the auto-generated college student email template, let's say that Isabella decided to sign up after receiving. But for Daniel Kim, let's say that he decided to reject. Starting a new batch, we will once again be looking at the top of the dashboard analytics that have been updated, as well as the View All button that allows you to filter by status. Previous status changes are now reflected. We can see that the status updates have been correctly tracked. Testing out the last data functionality, we will be using the PDF, which utilizes the PDF parser library in Python. We can see the information from the PDF file has been successfully extracted. For our last example, we will be using the general recruitment email template. We are once again able to see the auto-generated emails for each of the applicant's information, as well as the status tracker, which we'll be updating above. Returning to the analytical dashboard tracker, we are able to see the updated statistics from the information concerning the status of the recruits. Returning to the View All function, we are once again able to filter the status of our potential recruits. You are able to extract all the information as a CSV file, or you are able to clear all the tracking data with a simple click of a button. This marks the conclusion of the HSRM demo for Hope Tutoring Services in Arlington, Texas. Thank you and have a nice day.